Hello, good morning guys. Welcome to my another vlog. If you're new here to my channel, please do subscribe and hit na rin ang notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking mga videos. Okay? Mag-unbox pala ako kahapon ng aking mga agos na na-order from Ate Girly, pero ngayon nga umulan, ngayon na lang. Ipapakita ko na lang po sa inyo. Okay, our first aglo. Wow. Our Aglonema Pink Valentine. Look. Tsaka, may babies na po siya. Ayan po. Big lips na rin po siya. And next is our Aglonema Red Emerald. Ganda. And the third one is our Aglonema Black Maruntong Tingban. Look the pattern. Wow. And our fourth Aglonema natin is Orange Kumkun. Look. Ganda ng orange kumkun. Look the pattern. Ganda. And the fourth is our red exotic. Look. Our red exotic. The next is our pink emerald. Look. Ag-rotate na po siya. Ganda ng ating. This is our pink emerald. And our bloody red suksum. Meron na po siyang babies. Look, this is our bloody red suksum. Next is our magenta kumkun. Wow. This is our magenta kumkun. The last but not the least is our peach banana. Look at the peach banana. This is our peach banana. Thank you po. Bye. I need to replant this.